Top 10, your weekly roundup of the hottest trends in the automobile industry. Another week has gone by in the world of automobiles, so let's quickly get on to it.
Mahindra & Mahindra has opened pre-bookings for the XUV 7XO ahead of its 5th January debut. The SUV is essentially a rebadged and revamped XUV 7XO, borrowing several design cues and features from recently launched electric XEV 9S. MG Motor India is set to raise prices across its entire model range from the 1st of January, citing rising input costs, microeconomic factors. The car maker has capped the hike at 2%. Remember BMW's Speed Top shooting brake concept? Well, the luxury car maker has filed a patent for it in India, dropping a hint at a possible debut. The limited edition concept boosts BMW's most powerful V8 engine, capable of producing 616 bhp of peak power. Nissan has finally confirmed the launch of its tribal-based MPV, the Gravity, in early 2026. A teaser reveals that the model will have same calm shell bonnet and LED tail lights seen on the Tiber facelift, but with the restyled headlights and a honeycomb black grille. WagonR is now the third Maruti Suzuki model to hit the 35 lakh production milestone alongside the Alto and the Swift. Introduced in 1999, the tall hatchback now stands alongside the Alto and Swift, with global sales touching 10 million units across 75 plus countries. Bajaj Auto has launched the 2026 Pulsar 220F at 1,28,000 rupees ex-showroom. The update model gets fresh color and LED indicators, keeping one of India's most iconic performance motorcycles relevant for a new generation. KTM has introduced a new top-spec 160 Duke featuring a 5-inch color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation, priced at about 1,78,500 rupees ex-showroom in the national capital. The upgrade adds a premium tech layer to the entry-level Duke. Ducati India has begun teasing the 2026 X-Diavel V4, with bookings now open. Powered by the Gran Turismo V4 engine, the cruiser will arrive with revised ergonomics and two color options, burning red and black lava. Fitch Ratings expects India's auto loan asset-backed security market to remain steady through 2026, supported by strong domestic demand, steady income growth, and asset-backed lending despite global trade uncertainties. Mexico's 50% tariffs on non-FTA countries have raised alarms across India's automobile and auto parts space, with industry leaders pushing for faster FTA talks as the government engages Mexico to soften the impact on exports.
Well, that's it for this week. See you next time on Wheels Top 10.